Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video I am undecorating fall and getting ready for Christmas. So come along.
So I cleaned up my living room and my front hallway, and just to show you how I'm doing it, there's the bin that has some stuff, and this one's already full. All the wooden signs, I'm going to keep them separate. I'm not going to be putting them in the bin. And there's all the outdoor stuff that needs to go downstairs. I have a spot for that as well. My dried flowers, so they're here, and then I also have some here and over there. I tend not to put those in the seasonal containers, but sometimes I use them for other decorations. So I had cleaned up my fireplace of all the decorations, the stuff that's left, except this mug, which needs to go upstairs with all my Disney stuff. So up here, the stuff that's left is most likely I will use it for Christmas decorations, just maybe not here, maybe somewhere else, but it stays up until I decide what I'm gonna do on the fireplace. Over here, as you can see, it's fairly full. And then up here I just have that wooden sign that's gonna go with all my wooden signs downstairs, and some dried flowers, like fake flowers I mean, and they're gonna go all together with all the rest of them in a separate bin, because like I said, sometimes I'll reuse them for other projects. Over here I just have a tablecloth left over, which I will be putting to wash because it's got a little dirty, but I'm thinking I might reuse it for Christmas as well, because if you look at it, it just says family. So now I have to take all this stuff downstairs and put it away where it goes, and I'll show you where that is. So don't judge me, guys. This is an utter disaster. So this is how it usually looks like when I bring all my stuff from upstairs that I usually have decorated, like 4 or 5 rooms, down here with my seasonal decor, because now I literally have nothing on the shelves and everything's down here. So all of this stuff here is Christmas decor, and I just want to show you where I put my, so it turns out I'm gonna have to go get a bigger bin, which will fit here, no problem. I think I can fit 2 big bins still up here. So I have my outdoor Halloween decor here, and then I have the 2 bins down there. I don't have enough light here to show you. So those 2 bins are all the indoor decor. And then I have my Halloween sticks and things from outside and inside over in this box. And then behind here is the where it says winners are all my wooden signs that I use indoor are in there. So I will probably have a video later on, probably in January, when all the Christmas stuff comes back in, and I'm gonna rearrange all this stuff, because obviously I need to figure out a better system to store all my greenery and stuff. So I would like to ideally find a long clear bins for my greenery, so that way I can sort them with likes and I can see what's in them. So like I said, that's my Halloween stuff and my Thanksgiving and fall. Then this big box underneath is my wedding dress. So I'm not sure why I'm still holding on to it, but I am. And then it's all like, there's stuff that I use for Christmas, stuff that I use for fall, for all my pots and vases and stuff like that. And then down here, as you can see, there's still room. I can add more stuff if I just organize all this. But like I said, this is all from this is from upstairs. This is all decor from upstairs. So once I put all this out, I will have room to move stuff around and rearrange it accordingly. So this is, every time I come this way, it's just like, oh my god, I can't even look at it. But it is what it is for now. I have to go, kind of for next couple weeks. It's gonna have to do. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and I'm looking forward to all the content that's coming up. I already started last week with some Christmas DIYs and Christmas hauls. And don't forget, there's an invitation out for the dollar store Christmas tree decor challenge. So if that's something that interests you, make sure you check out the video. I will link it down below in my description box so you can see all the rules. There aren't many, so I would love for everyone to join if they would like. It should be a fun challenge. So like I said, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, have a wonderful day.